Hello. I will guide you through the registration and installation process for UModeler X. Visit the UModeler X Zepeto Creator webpage and download the Zepeto Studio project from the Getting Started page. Extract the downloaded Zepeto Studio file and launch Unity Hub. In Unity Hub, go to the Project tab and under the Open menu, click on Add Project from Disk to select the path of the extracted Zepeto Studio project. Verify that the Zepeto Studio project is listed and click to open the project. You can visit the Asset Store directly or go to the UModeler X webpage to move through the link. And run the Package Manager under the Windows menu. You can see the UModeler X asset list in My Assets. Click the Import button on the bottom right to install the hub. Once the installation is complete, a UModeler icon appears at the top of the scene view. You can launch the hub by clicking this button. To create a new account, click on Create a New Account at the bottom left. In the account creation window, enter your password, username, full name, select your country, and check the boxes below to activate the Create a UModeler ID button. A verification email will be sent to the email address you wish to use as your ID. Verify by opening the email sent by UModeler from your mailbox. When you return to Unity, the sign-up process is complete, and the password entry window for login is active. Enter the password you created earlier to log in. You are now ready to use UModeler X. Under the All Products tab, you will see a button to install the UModeler X product. Click the Install button and wait for a moment, and UModeler X will be installed. Once the installation is complete, the Install button is deactivated, and you'll see that the number of icons at the top of the scene view has increased to 3. Using the middle button among the icons at the top of the scene view, you can create a new UModeler X object. With the UModeler X tool, you can easily create or modify models.